Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with another free, and I mean all free video for you. Guys, I love those all free videos. And I'm sure you do too. But guys, this is an exciting video that's brought to you directly from Ibotta. No, they're not sponsoring my video, but they're giving us all these freebies, guys. They're going to give us free lunch, free school supplies. I can't believe all this stuff we're about to get for free. It's like $20 worth of free stuff. And all you have to do is basically make sure that you have the Ibotta app downloaded. Now, don't worry if you don't have the Ibotta app downloaded. It's okay. You can still get it because I'm going to actually put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. So all you have to do is click on the link and download the Ibotta app and you'll be absolutely okay. Now, once you download the Ibotta app, then you want to also download the Ibotta extension so that you can get these rebates. The rebates don't just automatically appear in your Ibotta app. You have to go to the Ibotta extension on your computer, sign in, and then the offers will appear in your app. Now, it does say that it takes about 24 hours, but mine appeared in less than a minute. Guys, also, let me apologize. I know my face is really sweaty looking, but it's really hot here in Pennsylvania. It's like 95 degrees. And although I only live like 2-3 minutes from Walmart, jumping in my car and coming to Walmart and, you know, sitting here doing this video for a couple minutes, it really gets hot, and it's really hot in that Walmart store. I hope they have the air turned up because the last couple times I was in there, I was sweating, like sweat was like pouring down my face. So hopefully it's not like that. We can have an enjoyable shopping trip. But yeah, guys, make sure you download Ibotta. Now, if you already have downloaded Ibotta, you may have gotten an email, because that's how I found out about this. I got an email and I simply clicked on the email, and then it told me to sign into the Ibotta extension, and then that's how I got the rebates. So if you don't have Ibotta, click on the link that I put in the description box, download Ibotta, and then go and download the Ibotta extension, and you'll get the rebates. And if you do have Ibotta, just simply log into your Chrome, your Ibotta Chrome extension, and then you'll get the rebates. But guys, we're going to get like $20 worth of free stuff, and I mean, it's absolutely free. And actually, in some cases, it's going to be a money maker, because I think a couple things are like priced under like maybe 10 cents, something like that. So guys, let's head into the store. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, your family. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so we're inside the store and we're going to go ahead and grab our first freebie. So our first freebie is going to be on the Mountain Dew Frostbite, and this is a new Mountain Dew. I've never tasted it. Maybe you have, I'm not sure, but I know the Cold Blue was good. The Cold Blue soda. So I'm going to try this one, and plus I'm like a blueberry freak anyway. But this is going to be absolutely free, just like every other item that we're going to get in our haul. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Make sure you grab the Frostbite, not the Volt, Mountain Dew Volt. You want to grab the Frostbite, okay? And it is the 20 ounce, and it's $1.98. And you're going to get $1.98 back from Ibotta. So this is our first item that we're going to put into the cart and move on to our next free item. Okay guys, so our next item is going to be on some Del Monte fruit cups. You can get any kind. You can get pineapples, you can get mixed, you can get pears. It's totally up to you what you want to get, but just make sure that you get the 4 ounce, the 4 cups and the 4 ounce, because that's what this works on. And you're going to get $2.50 back from Ibotta. Now, if you want to get a bigger one, like say the 12 cup, or any of the other ones that are Del Monte, you can get those. They won't be free though. You'll just have to pay the difference. Ibotta's going to give you $2.50 back, so you would just have to pay the difference. But what I'm choosing to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the diced peaches, and as you can see, it's 4 cups, and it is, see, 4 4-ounce cups. So I don't have to pay anything, and it's actually going to be a moneymaker because it's $2.18, and Ibotta's going to give me back $2.50. So even if you got like the no sugar pineapples, that would be a moneymaker because they're $2.48. The mandarin oranges are $2.18. That's a moneymaker. Even the ones in the gel are a moneymaker. The mixed fruit is $2.18, and even the pears. So any one of them that you get should be a moneymaker, but just make sure that you get the 4 cups that are 4 ounces. Okay, guys, let's move on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so the next 3 items that we purchased are actually going to be 3 items to make a complete peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the first item that we're going to get is going to be the Nature's Own bread. And you can either get the whole wheat, you can get the white bread, you can get the honey wheat, the butter bread. It's totally up to you which one you want to get. Now keep in mind that the Ibotta rebate for this one is only $2.84. So like if you get the honey wheat, that's $2.98. So you would have to put 14 cents to that. But remember, we had a little bit of a money maker on the Del Monte fruit cups, so that should cover it. Or if you get the butter bread, that's $2.80. So then that would cover that because they're going to give you $2.80 back. So it's totally up to you what you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the butter bread. And then that way everything is covered, and it is a 4-cent money maker for us. So let's get the next deal. All right, guys, so remember I said we're going to make that free peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That'll be a bunch of free lunches for the kids to go back to school, or for the adults to go back to work, because I know I love peanut butter and jelly with a nice big glass of cold milk. Okay, guys, so we're going to get the Smucker's grape jelly. Now, you have to get the 20 ounce. Now, I'm not sure if the 20 ounce comes in the jars or not. I know my store doesn't have the 20 ounce in the jars. They only have it in the squeeze bottle. So that's the one I'm getting. And here is $2.18. But Ibotta is actually going to give you back $2.54. So again, here we are with another money maker along with our free makings for our peanut butter and jelly. So let's go down and let's find our peanut butter. All right, so the next item we're going to grab is the peanut butter, and that will complete our peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So you're going to grab a Skippy peanut butter, and guys, you can grab any of them. You can grab the creamy, extra crunchy. You can grab the creamy. You can grab the natural creamy, which has less salt and sugar, or you can grab the natural with honey creamy, which is also less sugar and salt. But they're all $2.34. But when you redeem to Ibotta, you're going to get $2.53. So that's actually like a 19-cent money maker. So I did scan these all, and they all are good for that offer. Just make sure that you get the ones that are 15 to 16.3 ounces. I didn't see the 15 ounce in my store. I only seen this one. But I'm going to grab this one right here, the natural with less salt and sugar. And this one is actually 15 ounce. Excuse me, I didn't see the 16.3 ounce. I only seen the 15 ounce. So that's what I got. So now you see we have the fruit cup. So there's our fruit for our lunch. We have the peanut butter and jelly. And then we have the Mountain Dew soda, which the soda really isn't a healthy thing for lunch, but I like it, so I'm going to grab it. And we're going to move on to our next deals. All right, guys, we're at our next deal, and that is going to be on the Kleenex. And make sure that you get the 110 count, because as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different Kleenex that you can choose from. But you're looking for the 110 count, and that's this box here. I'm not sure how much they are because as you can see the price is scratched off, but I know they are $1 something. But Ibotta is going to give you back $1.89. So I doubt if it is more than $1.89, but we'll scan it in a minute. But we're going to get our Kleenex, and I'm sure they're going to be free. All right, guys, so now we're in the school supplies section, and yes, they are giving away free school supplies. So what you're going to look for is the 5-star notebooks. Now, there's a couple different ones. There's one here for $4.97. You don't want to get that one. If you get that one, you can get it. It's just that you'll have to pay the difference because they're only going to give you back $4.30. Let me pick up this notebook. For once, I didn't drop this. For once, I'm not the one dropping stuff. But there is another one for $4.24, which is this one. And I'll show you guys the UPC. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. So this would be a 30-cent moneymaker for me. Let me see. So they do have different colors. They have red, purple. Yeah, all I see. Oh, and green. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab the red. As you can see, it's $4.24. So again, that'd be a 6-cent moneymaker. And here is the UPC for you guys. I know it's a glare. Let me see if I can do it so it's not a glare. There you go. So there's the UPC for that. So make sure you get that one and not the other one, because if you get the other one, you're going to have to pay the difference. Okay, so we're going to get some more school supplies. So you're going to look for the, I have no idea how to say this, Deguera, I don't know, but they make pencils. You're going to look for the 12 pack. If you get anything bigger than the 12 pack, like that pack, you're going to have to pay the difference. Now, this is the pack that I'm going to get, but on the actual picture in Ibotta, the pack is white, and I've been searching all over. Like, they have school supplies in the school supply section as well as in the clearance section in the different aisles, and I can't find the white pack, so I'm going to go ahead and grab these. So they're $2.48, and they do match up. So the Ibotta rebate is going to give us back $2.39. So I'm going to pay like 9 cents. But that's perfectly okay because you know we have a couple money makers in the cart, which is going to cover that 9 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in the cart and then look for the other school supplies. So there's one last item that you want to get, guys, and there is a pack of erasers. There's a 3-pack of erasers made by Paper Mate. Oh, wait a minute. I might have just found them. I think I have them. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So you're going to get this 3-pack of erasers made by Paper Mate. Make sure it's the 3-pack. Now, you can get this one that includes the pencils. It's $4.67, but you're going to have to pay the difference if you do. If you get this 3-pack, Ibotta is actually going to give you back $1.39. And as you can see, they are $1.34, so that'll be a 5-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab these and throw these in the cart. And then we're going to head up to the register. But I'm just going to show you guys, if your Walmart is like my Walmart, you can see they're just putting out the school supplies. So when you're looking for these things, really look good. As you can see, I almost passed those erasers. This is the 3rd time down this aisle, and I didn't get them. Didn't see them until just now. So make sure you're looking everywhere and get all of your free items. So this is our haul, guys. We have a 5-star notebook, a 4-pack of Del Monte fruit cups, a thing of Skippy peanut butter, a box of Kleenex, a thing of bread, a Mountain Dew soda, a pack of pencils, a pack of erasers, and a jar of jelly. Guys, everything in this haul is absolutely free, all 9 items. So I'm going to head up to the register. I'm going to pay, and then once I get in the car, I will submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I will show you guys exactly how I got my money back. It will be in my account in less than like 4 minutes. Alrighty, guys, we are back in the car, and let's go over our receipt. So the receipt is really light, so hopefully you can read it. Let me turn on the flash, and maybe that'll be better. Okay, I think that's a little better. Okay, so there you see the Mountain Dew, which was $1.98. The Skippy Peanut Butter, $2.34. The Dole Fruit Cups, $2.18. The bread, $2.18. The 12 count of tissues. No, excuse me. The 12 count of pencils, $2.47. The erasers, $1.34. Now, here we go with the notebook. So the notebook evidently was in the wrong place, because where we seen it at, it was what, like $4.50 or $4.34, $4.24. I don't know. I don't remember. But it was actually in the wrong place. So guys, don't get that notebook, because that notebook is $4.97. And Ibotta is only giving back $4.30. So I actually had to pay 60 cents for that. But because I had all of the other overage, I should be fine. And that should cover that. And then the tissues, remember, we couldn't see the price of the tissues because it was like scratched out. But the tissues were $1.58. But we're getting back $1.89 from Ibotta, so that worked out pretty good. And then the bread was $2.80. So, you know, there, with all the rebates and things, there's like 50, there's like 10 cents, 9 cents, all of those money makers. So that's definitely going to cover the 60 cents. So my total was $21.80. Hold on, let me refocus here. So my total was $21.84. And remember, I'm getting all of that back because Ibotta is giving everything free. All right, guys, so let's review what we got back from Ibotta. So we got $2.50 back for the fruit cups. And the fruit cups, excuse me, I'm going to go over the receipt. The fruit cups were actually $2.18. So that was a 32-cent moneymaker. Then we got back $2.54 for the Smucker's jelly, when we only actually paid, let me find it here on the receipt. Okay, so for the Smucker's jelly, we got back $2.54. So we paid $2.18 for the jelly. So again, that's another money maker. And then you see the pencils were $2.39. And we paid $2.47 for those. So the overage for that was covered from the first two items that we got. And then we got the pink Pearl Papermate erasers, the 3 count, and those were $1.34, but we got back $1.39, so that's a 5-cent money maker for that. And then here you go with the 5-star notebook. That was, we got back $4.30 for that, but we paid $4.97. So again, our overage covered that. The Kleenex, we paid $1.58 for, but we got back $1.89. So actually that was a 29-cent money maker. And then the bread was $2.84, but we paid $2.80. So that was a 4-cent money maker. The Mountain Dew Frostbite was $1.98, and we paid $1.98. So we got back $19.83. Now, the only rebate that they haven't given me yet was for the peanut butter. So I had to submit a ticket for the peanut butter. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I'm very confident that I'm going to get my money back for the peanut butter because it did scan in store. It did match. So I just have to wait. And anytime I submit a ticket, I always get my money back. So either way, I'm happy with the haul. So guys, go out. Make sure that you get all your freebies. Make sure that you, before you submit your receipt, make sure that you have all the offers clicked. And until the next time, keep on saving.